Hey, Natural Method YouTube. Are you going crazy because of shortness of breath? Does your chest pain flare up and feel intense? Those are the symptoms of costochondritis. Don't worry, you are not alone. Jessie has asked for a natural method for this. Imagine how much better you will feel when you can breathe without pain. Let's get started. Massage your hands 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With your fingers, massage your sternum up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the best result, massage with a strong pressure. 3, 4, 5. Massage it sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Massage the bottom of your rib cage up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Side of your rib cage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With your fingers, push your sternum in and stretch back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push your fingers in enough and follow the same pace. 2, 3, 4, 5. This time stretch back, breathe into your nose and breathe out to your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the best results, shout the ha sound as loud as you can. 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch back and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Drop your hands down. Massage your hands 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place on your rib cage and massage it up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are probably not massaging strong enough. Massage as strong as you can. 3, 4, 5. Stretch back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you stretch to the tension point. 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch back and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Drop your hands down.